Icho ndicho ne ZiG Church Buruchema ZiG. As the president of the Zimbabwe Village Heads Association, we fully endorse this ZiG currency. A sovereign nation is only sovereign when you have your own currency. Without tender, I want to thank the governor, John Mushayavanhu, for a splendid job he has done. He has touched the nerve of the country by coming right down to the rural people. Those are the majority of the people in the country. And we are happy that as village heads, we are well educated about it. We are now taking it to our villages. Each village will have a session conducted by the village head, who has been empowered by the governor of the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. Here, Kwachiwi, Mumarua, Sakatakuziva, Takunotaure. Governor, wonderful display. E200, Ishumba, E100, Inzonge, leopard, 50, rhino, 20, Inzo, 10, buffalo. The big five is here. I see the king of the jungle. Kanoka bata 200 more. Ingoti ndipe shumba chet. Governor, where is shumba?